Ever wondered what your favorite Italian dish would taste like if you enjoyed it right in the heart of Italy? Let's embark on a culinary journey to Pastagrill, nestled in the charming city of Aveiro, Portugal. This family-friendly restaurant serves up an authentic Italian experience that's sure to delight. From the unique dishes that fill the menu to the genuine ingredients that make each bite a revelation, the authenticity is undeniable. So whet your appetite and get ready to explore the menu that brings Italy closer to you. Imagine biting into a slice of margherita pizza with the perfect balance of cheese and tomato sauce, or twirling your fork in a plate of spaghetti carbonara, rich with Italian bacon and parmesan. Well, at Pastagrill, you don't need to just imagine. This culinary haven in the heart of Aveiro serves up an array of authentic Italian dishes that will transport your taste buds straight to Italy. From the creamy risottos, made the traditional way with arborio rice, to the hand-tossed pizzas, each topped with fresh local ingredients, there's something to tickle every palate. But we're not just talking about your classic Italian staples. Seafood lovers will be delighted with the frutti di mare, a seafood pasta that combines the freshest catch of the day with a tangy tomato base. And for those with a sweet tooth, the tiramisu, a coffee-flavored dessert layered with mascarpone and cocoa, promises a sweet finish to any meal. The menu also caters to a variety of dietary preferences. Vegetarians can enjoy a plethora of choices like the veggie pizza, loaded with colorful vegetables, or the penne arrabbiata, a spicy tomato pasta that packs a punch. For those who are gluten-sensitive, there are gluten-free pasta options that don't skimp on flavor. From the first bite to the last, Pastagrill offers an Italian culinary journey like no other. You may ask, what sets Pastagrill apart from other Italian restaurants? Well, it all starts with their unwavering commitment to utilizing only the freshest, locally sourced ingredients. This dedication to quality ensures that every mouthful bursts with genuine Italian flavors, but it doesn't stop there. The chefs at Pastagrill are not just good, they're exceptional. Each one has honed their craft under the watchful eyes of master chefs in Italy. Their expertise is evident in each dish, from the simplest pasta to the most elaborate risotto, where the harmonious blend of flavors tells a story of Italian culinary tradition. Let's not forget the atmosphere. The moment you step into Pastagrill, you're enveloped in a warm, welcoming ambiance that makes you feel like part of the family. This isn't just a restaurant, it's a gathering place, a space to enjoy good food and good company. Pastagrill is not just a restaurant, it's a slice of Italy served on a platter right here in Aveiro,